Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make a cold mocha similar to the Starbucks drink. And now I am going to go over the ingredients and the preparation method. We'll need 1 container of whipped cream powder, but we'll use only half of it according to the quantity I am giving you now, and we'll need 1 large tablespoon of cocoa powder or Nesquik, whichever you prefer, and I have 1 or 2 large tablespoons of granulated sugar, and we'll need 1 or 2 small teaspoons of instant coffee, and we'll need 1 or 2 large glasses of milk, which equals half a liter. And now we'll move on to the preparation method. So I am going to take the electric blender and pour in half of this whipped cream powder, just half of it. Since this contains 100 grams, I am going to use 50 grams, and I am going to add this half liter of milk, and I am going to blend everything well. Then I will come back to you. I've blended the milk with the whipped cream powder, and I am going to add 2 large tablespoons of granulated sugar, and I am going to add 1 or 2 small teaspoons of instant coffee. You can add more according to your taste, even when it comes to instant coffee. Everyone can add the amount of coffee they prefer, and I am going to add 1 large tablespoon of cocoa powder or Nesquik, and what I didn't mention is that I am going to add pieces of ice. This cold mocha drink is similar to the Starbucks drink, and it turns out really delicious. Here is our cold mocha drink. It is ready, and now I am going to take a glass and decorate it with these lines of chocolate sauce in random patterns. Chocolate sauce like this. And now I am going to pour this cold mocha, which is similar to Starbucks, and I'll fill it up to here because I am still going to add whipped cream. Whipped cream. And now I am going to decorate it with whipped cream this way, but you can decorate it however you like. And I am going to add a little chocolate sauce like this. Chocolate, and this is the final look of our cold mocha drink. It turns out absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. It is similar to the Starbucks drink. It looks so good, and you can enjoy it at restaurants where it can be very expensive, so you can make it at home for a price that is simple and affordable for everyone, and I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you liked it, don't forget to give us a like, support us by subscribing, and press the bell button so you never miss anything new from Spice and Easy Kitchen.